Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. So I've been trying to find a way to secure my helmet, and in my roll cane that I got right here in front of me, I got a trunk, so I'll put it in the trunk. But now here with the Road Glide, I was thinking about buying a trunk, but I think I'm going to pass on that. Maybe not. I don't know. But for now, because obviously trunks are expensive, I was thinking about finding a way to secure my helmet. Now, a lot of people say you don't have to. A lot of people say, you know what, leave it on the bike and all that. If you do that, let me know down in the comment section below. I guess I'm a little bit paranoid. I pay like $500 for this helmet, and sometimes I got a GoPro and things like that. I won't leave my GoPro in the helmet, but again, you know, sometimes I got a GoPro and things like that. I just don't want to leave that thing unsecure. I feel like somebody could just take it. Maybe I'm being paranoid, maybe not. Again, let me know down in the comment section below. But everybody uses a lock that has this D-ring, right? Here's my helmet. So again, the D-ring right here is what typically people use for a lock, or to lock the helmet to the motorcycle. So essentially, they get this little lock where you put the ring in there and then you secure that ring to the motorcycle. The problem to me, again, being paranoid, is that I feel that somebody could just cut the strap off and take the helmet. I feel like that's not even a good way to secure your helmet. So I was thinking, what do I do? And I came with this idea. I mean, I think people do this already. It's not something that is new or anything like that. But this is what I'm going to use. And again, I'm going to show it to you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so here's the idea. I got this chain from obviously Amazon, and it has the sleeve right now, right? So I like the sleeve because obviously it's not going to scratch my helmet. It's not going to scratch my chrome or anything like that. And this chain feels like really good quality. Look at that, guys. It looks amazing. And the idea is to run this chain through my crotch bar, you know, my bars in the motorcycle and the helmet, and kind of secure that in place. Again, this chain, it just looks really good. It looks like a really good quality. It was really inexpensive. I mean, it was in pennies, but it wasn't crazy expensive. And again, I like the fact that it has this right here because it kind of stops the sleeve so it won't come back, won't come forward, or anything like that. And again, it just looks like a really solid quality. Okay, so in here we have the lock that I'm going to be using. And again, not crazy expensive or anything like that, but it is heavy duty. It is a lock that is supposed to be for the outside, so it is rugged. And one thing that I wanted to do was getting a combination lock, because once again, I don't want to have a key or anything like that. So again, having this combination lock, to me, it's kind of simple, right? It has this rubber piece in the bottom that is supposed to, you know, protect it from the weather, protect it from rain and all that. And again, it's just a really solid lock. All right, so here you have it. That's pretty much how it's going to sit. So again, I got my helmet right there. You see my highway pegs right there. And again, you have the chain. The chain is going through the helmet, coming here, and then going into this location right here. So as you can see, it's pretty secure. I mean, you will have to remove this bar in order to get the helmet out. So again, that's how it looks. I don't know if I'm being more paranoid than I'm supposed to be, but again, you know, it kind of looks that way. Let me give you a look from this side right here, and that's kind of how it looks. So I definitely get it. Where there is a will, there is a way. So if somebody really want to take it, it's going to take it. But at the same time, I feel that if we make it harder for the person, it may deter them from taking it. Or if it takes a little while for them to get it, maybe I arrive there, or maybe I have enough time to call for help or something like that. So again, if somebody really want to take it, they're going to take it. They're going to take the whole bike. But at least this way, it kind of is going to make it a little bit more difficult. And really, it was not that much money. I think I paid like $21 for the chain and maybe like $14 for the lock. All right, my friends, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more videos coming up. And as always, God is in control.